But we're gonna let her do the thing. Then I'll clear it. I'm probably gonna sand it down one more time so I can come in here and fix any of the little issues that I see with the pinstripes. And then we'll call it a day. And then when I do that, I'll probably airbrush in either black. I was almost wondering I might mist it white. Have a fun ride?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna look a lot different.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I just gotta finish taping up the front fender, and then I'll go get the brushes and stuff, and we'll do it.
Okay. So this is, let's see, blue, which is awesome because it's like all different kinds of blues. And then this one is a lighter blue. Yeah, dark blue, light blue, and then purple. Purple blue. Oh.
Nice color. It would be really, really light.
That's good.
And it would just have that across the whole thing.
Okay. Yeah.
So, the problem with the powdered pearl is I would need to clear coat everything, and then you're gonna throw it, and then once you throw it, we can't undo it.
Okay.
Right, so that's kind of I think the thing with the powdered pearls, because the pearls you would still. Back of it, see how bumpy and nasty the reflection and everything else is. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put 3 coats on this one, because then I'm gonna sand it down and put one more final clear coat on it. So then that way what we can do is we can actually level all this orange peel and get it so then that way everything is completely smooth. So just like when we did the glass, even though there's all this stuff underneath the paint, doesn't matter, we'll level it out. Once we get it leveled out, we'll put the last coat of clear coat on, and then when you look into it, it'll all be completely smooth. You've waited your 10 or 15 minute flash time, if you're not happy and it's too dry or whatever, man, make up some paint, put one more coat on to finish it out, but don't try and do too much at one time. If you try to build up too much at one time, you'll end up getting a run and everything else. Just take your time with it, let it flow out. And like I said, if you're not happy with it, come in and do another coat.